In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A07, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto brightness. Start by going into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Then hold brightness slider, which is this one with a sun, and use this switcher next to adaptive brightness to switch it on or turn it off. To save your choice, hit done. If you wanna, you can also go into settings, scroll to click on display, and use this switcher next to adaptive brightness instead. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!